So, you're investing in property in the Philippines? Let's talk about how to keep that investment safe.
I mean, that's a huge milestone. For most people, it's the biggest investment they'll ever make.
But that dream can turn into a total nightmare if you end up dealing with the wrong person.
We're talking about curated agents. These are people working outside the law, which is a huge red flag.
See, their only goal is a quick commission. They'll often skip the really important stuff, like due diligence.
The difference is just night and day. A pro is legally required to protect you. A curated agent? Not at all.
That's exactly why the government stepped in. They created a legal shield for buyers, called Republic Act 9646. Its whole purpose is to make sure you're dealing with competent, responsible pros. It's all about your protection.
And get this law has been on the books, protecting buyers just like you for over a decade.
Okay, so your pro team has two key roles. Let's meet the heroes who've got your back.
First up is the broker. They've passed the exams and are legally on the hook for everything they do.
Then you have the salesperson. Crucially, they have to work under a licensed broker. This builds in accountability.
And check this out. One broker can only supervise 20 salespersons, max. This ensures you're protected.
So how can you be sure you're working with a legit professional?
Well, it's actually pretty easy.
Just ask for their PRC ID, get their details, and check them on the official website. Super straightforward.
Now, the law isn't messing around. There are some serious penalties for breaking these rules.
Okay, first up, a minimum fine of 100,000 pesos for any violation. And that's just the start.
On top of that, they're looking at a minimum of 2 years in prison.
Yeah, seriously.
But what about those unlicensed curated agents? Well, for them, it gets even worse.
The penalties are literally doubled. We're talking a 200,000 peso fine and 4 years in prison, minimum.
So the takeaway here is pretty clear, right? Your safety really comes down to who you choose to work with.
Your dream home is on the line. So the question is, who are you going to trust to protect it?